Hi, this is John again, and I'm going to show how the stitch length mechanism works on this Singer 111W155. It's rather an interesting mechanism. We have a window here that shows markings on a little wheel. I don't know if we'll be able to see that there. Looks like there's a number 20 showing up in the window right now. The left button is to set the stitch length, and the right button is to reset the clutch for the lower hook assembly if that gets jammed. So by pressing on the button on top, a little pin comes down and sets into this notch. So the instructions say to press the pin down and to turn the hand wheel. And so then when you turn the hand wheel, it'll turn this bottom shaft until the pin locks in. And then it says to turn the hand wheel either forward or backward until you get the right stitch length that you want in the window up on top. And so if I turn this, I'm mimicking turning the hand wheel. And as you can see, this collar stays put with the pin being held into the notch, but the rest of the shaft turns. And so what that's doing is adjusting the eccentric that works on this arm to control how far the feed dogs move. And you can, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little dovetail thing here that's poking out just a little ways. If we keep turning that, now that dovetail is all the way down and actually sunk into that, so it's moved it back. And then to adjust the other direction, you have to turn the hand wheel backwards. And then it comes to a stop the other direction. And now you can see that the dovetail is sitting high of this disc. And so anywhere that you stop in between, it's going to show on the window which number corresponding to that stitch length. And it goes from, I think it's I should take this belt off. It's from 32 down to it says down to 5. So that's 5 stitches per inch. So that would be a very long stitch length. And then it goes up to, what did I say, 32? 32 stitches per inch. So that's the left button, how that works. The hand wheel turns this shaft and adjusts the length that this arm moves back and forth. See, we have it adjusted here. It moves a little ways when that's spinning. If I adjust it to 0, see, it doesn't move at all when this shaft spins. Then if I move it all the way to the other end of its travel, this arm moves quite a lot. And then the other button on the bed of the machine is if this clutch in the end has become uncoupled, and that's if you get a jam in the hook area. This clutch disengages, and so the collar spins, but the shaft does not spin. And so to reset that clutch, you push the right button down, and it contacts this cocked wheel. And it looks like a ratchet wheel. So if you turn it one direction, the button on top just rides over the top of the notches. But if you turn the hand wheel backwards, it catches, and then you're able to turn this until the reset mechanism clicks the clutch back into place. So that's what the two buttons on top do.